I have a question to ask you. Have you ever walked up to the door for a listing appointment and you feel that you're already behind? Like you haven't even stepped inside yet, but you can sense it. I mean, the sellers are polite, but they're guarded. They say they're just getting information, just gathering information, short answers, very little warmth. And you're thinking to yourself, I mean, what's changed? Because on the phone, they sounded pretty excited. And now it feels like an interview. So here's the truth most agents learn the hard way. You didn't lose the listing at the kitchen table. If you lose it at all, it's usually lost in the days between the, yeah, sure, come by, and the moment you rang the doorbell. Sellers don't hire a CMA, they hire certainty. NAR data shows that the number one factor for sellers choosing an agent is reputation. So how do we manufacture reputation and reduce risk before we even show up? We pre-sell. Pre-selling means the seller experiences your professionalism in advance, your process, proof that what you say is true, your positioning. They learn this all before you even show up. So the appointment becomes, in a sense, confirmation, not convincing. The shock and awe package is designed to create one reaction, that you're the best and the safest choice. So here's the kit. You can see it's customized to the agent in the front, and there are testimonials in the back. We have two different types of designs. If you go to onesteplisting.com, you can take a look at the two different designs, and you can see here customized to the agent. What we have here is a QR code on the front. They can watch a welcome video from you. So it's a great way to build trust, build rapport, and get that listing appointment started before you actually show up. Now you send the kit to them 1 or 2 days, 24 to 48 hours before the listing appointment. You'll want to give them a call and let them know, hey, this is Joe Smith, this is Joanne Smith, excited to meet with you on Thursday at 6 p.m., whenever the appointment is. Before we get together, about a day or two before we get together, my office will drop off to you our pre-selling kit, our home sellers kit. This home sellers kit will have a lot of really good information for you. It really sets the stage and prepares the time that we're going to spend together. It's going to give you a lot of good information on the home selling process, what we do that sells homes faster for more money in less time than the typical real estate agent. You'll find out about many of our programs, our unique programs in the marketplace, and you can see, because we sell so many homes in our marketplace, we can do a lot more things to sell your home than the typical real estate agent ever can. So take a look at it before we get together, and I always tell our clients to let them know that when they do get it, that if they do take a look at, so take a look at it, if you do take a look at it, because it answers many of the frequently asked questions that we get when we get at a listing appointment, we can cut down the time at our listing appointment. Our listing appointment is typically an hour, but if you do go through this kit, and because it answers many of the frequently asked questions that we get, we can shave that down to about half the time. You want to build trust and rapport from the time that they raise their hand. This seals the deal. It gets you more listings signed at your commission rate with less objections. It turns the gap between the booked appointment into a pre-sale runway where trust, proof and process are established early, so the appointment becomes a confirmation. With this kit, you're going to walk into your next listing appointment already chosen.